Welcome to the day 16 of trying to get back on my feet. The last day of my family here sa Bataan bago sila bumalik ng Mandaluyong kasi pasukan na ulit. So for this day, nag-swimming na lang kami sa indoor pool na malapit dito sa area namin. It was fun until nung aalis na sila because si Gavin humabol siya tapos gusto niyang sumama sa kanila papuntang Mandaluyong. Now only child kasi si Gavin and dito sa bahay namin, tatlo lang kami. So mapapansin mo talaga kay Gavin yung mood niya and mas lively siya talaga pag may mga ibang tao dito sa bahay. So I kinda understand kung bakit, which gives me a parallel in a sense na si Gavin alone siya, not by choice kasi only child siya. While ako naman became distant and introverted while growing up because of personal drive in life, which is the same drive that led me to who I am today as a marketing professional. No, but it's the same drive that made me like, alam nyo, parang kabayo na may nakalaharang dito. So, nakafocus ka lang sa kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. And hindi naman sa sinawalang bahala, but you lost your peripheral vision because you're too focused on just the thing that you wanted to do. Now, with the recent events happen, I was kinda into a pedestal na wala akong control dun. So, magagawa ko lang mag-send ng resume, secure an interview, and hopefully get another job again. But dun sa waiting time and gitna, it to reflect on things and made me see the things that I'm missing out, which made me kinda bit sad because, ngayon ko lang siya na-realize nung wala na si mama, in which I could have initiated more gathering, more visits, more events, in which hindi ko naman siya 100% na miss out kasi mahilig siya magplano ng mga ganong gathering and nagkaroon naman kami ng mga alis and nag-enjoy naman kami lahat, but I can say na during that time hindi ako 100% focused kasi lagi may tumatakbo sa likod ng utak ko na kailangan kong bumalik ng trabaho, kailangan kong mag-work pagkatapos nito, in which I'm very thankful to my wife na ginagawa niya yun kahit na hindi ko pa siya naiisip noon na parang ginawa niya na or pinlalo niya na before bago ko pa siya kailanganin, in which ngayon nga bumabalik sa akin na I needed those times, I needed those memories, in which parang siyang apoy na parang humina sa loob-loob ko dahil nga nawalan ako ng trabaho, nawalan ako ng pinaglalagyan ko ng fuel, na naging clear yung paligid mo, nabawasan yung static, and then you see things that would have mattered more than my work. And sometimes I don't know, probably a blessing in disguise, divine intervention. Isa pang joke ni Mai na baka daw kinuha daw ni mama yung mga nagpapastress sa akin, or just the universe giving me a reality check na I can still focus on things that are more important. Well, let's see. It's just day 16.